Hi, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to show you a new Christmas gift I got. It's my new bandsaw. The unboxing of it and putting it together, and the things that I like about it and the things that I don't. So, well, I'll let it do explaining itself. I went to Direct Tools, which is a new store in my area. It sells several different types of products, a lot of refurbished things, and this was on sale for $89.99, so I bought it. Took it home, opened up the box, and as you can see, there's scratches on the table here because it is refurbished, and so it's previously used. And as you can see, it was packed. This was on top. There's the scratches, a little bit more detail all over the top, but that's okay for the price. It's going to get scratched up anyway. Had some really good packing in it. Took the packing out, and here's the base unit. Packed really well. And as you can see, everything is still packaged individually. It's not just thrown in there, even though it is refurbished. Here's the owner's manual. So I ended up taking the things out of the bag. There's the owner manual there, and there you can also see some of the other parts that I need to use to put it together. So pretty simple stuff, very basic. So here it is after I got it out of the box. You can see there's scratches and different things on the entire case of everything, but it still looks good. They stamped it as refurbished, reconditioned. It came with a blade inside, and when you open it up, it's all clean inside, no damages or anything like that. So it's looking good. Good tension. And there's the bottom wheel. So you can see this is very easy to open up. The wheels and everything are clean and everything inside. Looks good. So you can see it's still in good shape for being refurbished. There's the motor. You can see some of the scratches and dings, but hey, it's not bad at all. So I'm thoroughly inspecting it, as you can see. The assembly manual is pretty easy. It tells you exactly how to do everything on one page, how to track the blade, mount the saw table, everything. As you can see, I got the table on okay and everything's set up. It's really easy to assemble and put together. You just got to follow the directions. The one problem I did have, it was a little off kilter. I don't know if that was my workbench or whatever, but as soon as I put this little booklet underneath it, everything was fine. Another thing I really like is the safety aspect of this. It has an extra little key that sticks in there, and you have to have that in for the machine to work. Now, the couple things I don't like about this is that after I've used it a couple times,
and I tried to make a bandsaw box for my daughter as a Christmas gift. I realized that I didn't have a lot of space here to be able to readjust everything. So from the plate to the top of where the saw goes, I couldn't get a lot of wood in there. Also, you can't really get anything really wide because there's not a lot of space between that and the bar where the switch and everything is. Another thing I'm concerned about is the width of this space. So as you can see, it allows wood to be able to get caught in a lot of different areas. Otherwise, for a desktop unit or a benchtop unit, or however you want to call this, it's a really good project, and I really like it. And from what I've seen online, it's been rated as one of the best benchtop units that you can get. So in general, I really like it. As a woodworker, I hope that you have found this video informative and may have found a new tool that is fairly inexpensive for your shop. My question for you is, do you own something similar? Do you like it or not? Thanks for watching. Love the video? Make Dylan Woodworking videos possible through your support on patreon.com/Dylan Woodworking and gain access to exclusive rewards and other cool things.